In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change cell height and width in Google Sheets. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out with spreadsheets, knowing how to adjust the size of your cells is a crucial skill for optimal organization and presentation of your data. So, let's dive right in and get those cells looking exactly the way you want them. First things first, you'll want to open up a Google Sheet. You can create a new one or open an existing file by heading to Google Sheets in your browser. If you're a frequent user of Google Sheets, you probably have a few documents ready to go in your drive. Just pop them open, and you'll be ready to start adjusting the cells. Now, let's tackle adjusting the row height. Move your mouse cursor over to the border between the row numbers on the left side of your sheet. You're aiming for that faint line that separates each row number. As you hover there, you'll notice your cursor change to a double-headed arrow. This little icon is your new best friend for resizing rows. You simply click on the border, hold the mouse button down, and drag it up or down to tweak the height. It's a quick adjustment, giving you control over how much space you need for your data or text. Once you're satisfied with the row height, it's time to focus on adjusting the column width. Hover your cursor over the border between the column letters at the top of your sheet. Just like before, wait for that double-headed arrow to pop up. When it does, click and drag the border left or right to set the desired width. This feature is particularly useful when you're dealing with lengthy entries or need to fit more information on your screen without excessive scrolling. As you make these adjustments, keep in mind that the size changes apply to the entire row or column, not just a single cell. This can be handy when you have consistent data throughout, but also something to be mindful of if you have varying needs across your spreadsheet. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted both the height and width of your cells in Google Sheets. It's a simple adjustment that can make a significant impact on the readability and efficiency of your data presentation. With just a few clicks and drags, your sheets can be neatly organized, allowing you to focus more on the information rather than the formatting. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Keep practicing with different files to get the hang of it. Adjusting cell size is a fundamental skill that, once mastered, will make your life with spreadsheets so much easier. Thanks for watching, and happy data organizing!